I told you of that organization in Bombay, which had been set up in 1987. So our seniors in every respect that you can look at it, they were celebrating their first 5 years of existence, and they had an international conference on palliative care. And I was still at the stage where I was only contemplating this and wanting to set it up. So I decided to attend that conference. I went for it. On the first day, it was lunchtime. The conference had been going from morning till then. And at the lunch break, I was standing in the queue with a plate in my hand, waiting to be served. And we were several people in the queue, and two people were standing behind me. They looked obviously not Indian, and I could make out they had come from somewhere. After all, this was an international conference. So I got into a conversation with them, and it became interesting when I asked them who they were and where they had come from. This was a couple. The husband was a doctor and the wife was a nurse. They lived in the UK. They're obviously British nationals, and they were working for palliative care in a hospice they had set up in a place called Shrewsbury. And they had come for this conference. So I was a little curious to know what had made them come all the way to Bangalore for a conference like this. And turned out that Dr. Mr. Johnson, was somebody who'd been born in Bangalore, that his parents had lived in India for many years, and he was born here in Bangalore. So he had a bit of a soft corner for Bangalore. And when I told him that, in reply to his question, when I told him that I was from Bangalore, he hugged me like a long-lost brother. And he was extremely interested that I also came from Bangalore. And he started addressing me as Dr. Rao. And I had to correct him, and I said, I'm not a doctor. So first one eyebrow went up and he said, if you're not a doctor, what are you? So I said, I have a commercial background. I worked in a company and I have now retired from the company, and I'm thinking of setting up a hospice. They just couldn't understand what a non-doctor, non-palliative care man was doing there. We became quite friendly in those 2 days of the conference. We exchanged cards. They went back to the UK and I came back here.